Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So if you want to use the iPhone keyboard on your Galaxy device, you should just get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool, we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app and click enable in settings. Here you'll see green Apple keyboard switcher. You should tap on the switcher, tap to OK and again to OK. Then click to go back and click to switch input methods. Now we should switch our currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So it's finished now. So now let's just check the new keyboard and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.